With the rainy season gradually coming to an end, farmers in Kaduna State are appealing to government to beef up security ahead of the harvest season to enable farmers to access their farms for a smooth harvest. They say many of them couldn't cultivate their farms this year due to inaccessibility to their farms for fear of being kidnapped. Trust TV's Bello Musa, who spoke to some of the farmers in Kachia, Igabi, Biriningwari and Chiku local government areas of Kaduna State, now reports.
Kachia, Igabi, Birnungwari and Chukwu local government areas are still experiencing kidnapping and other forms of insecurity that prevented several farmers from accessing their farms at the beginning of this year's rainy season. With harvest time setting in, farmers are apprehensive that as bandits offer resurface during harvest to kidnap for ransom. I planted at the beginning of the season, but for months now, I couldn't access my farm, and farming is the only thing we know.
As for me, I can go to my farm. There is no any security threat where my farm is. Alhamdulillah, but others, majority, cannot go to their farms.
Presently, their farms are inaccessible because you go there, you are trading at the expense of your life.
People are kidnapped while working in their farms, so they are afraid of going to the farms. Umar Sli is a farmer at Birniero in Igabi local government area of Kaduna State. He says the quantity of maize he produced must have dropped because he couldn't access his farm due to insecurity. He now cultivates a farm near the Kaduna Zaria Expressway. I begged someone to lend me this land to cultivate because I can no longer access my farm, which is far from here because of kidnapping. In order to have a hitch-free harvest period, the farmers are calling on the government to improve the security situation in farming areas in the state. As poor farmers, we can't reach the government directly. However, we are appealing for improved security to enable us continue our farming.
This is an opportunity that we, most especially the southern Kaduna, we've been experiencing kidnapping, banditry, and a lot. So I think by we having a brother there, he will help us to do more.
They should help us and provide enough security so that we can produce more from our farms. People are already entertaining fear that the harvest this year will not meet up with the demands from Nigerians due to insecurity and other factors. However, the farmers across Kaduna State are hopeful that there will be improved security around farming areas for a smooth harvest. Bello Musa, Trust TV News Kaduna.